So welcome students. In this question you're given that in a triangle ABC, AD and BE are medians, AD and BE are medians, and AD is equal to 4, the length of this is equal to 4, and angle BAD or DAB is equal to 30 degrees, angle ABE is equal to 60 degrees. This is the information given. We're asked to find the area of triangle ABC. So now first, what is the thing that we observe? So AD and BE are the medians, hence this point will be the centroid of the triangle. And AD is equal to 4 centimeters. So we know that the centroid divides AD in the ratio 2:1, right? The centroid divides AD in the ratio 2:1. So the total length is 4. So what is AG? AG is nothing but 4 into, so of these 4, this is 2/3, this is 1/3. So into 2/3, that is equal to 8/3. So AG is equal to 8/3. Now, according to the given information, this is 30 degrees and this is 60 degrees. Hence, this angle has to be equal to 90 degrees. The angle AGB has to be equal to 90 degrees. And AG is already found to be 8/3. AG is found to be 8/3. Now, can you find this side? Yes. Tan pi by 6. Tan pi by 6 is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, that is BG by AG. This implies, if you want BG, so BG is nothing but AG times tan 30 degrees, that is 8/3 times tan 30 is 1/√3, that is 8/3√3. So BG is 8/3√3. Now what is the area of triangle AGB? So area of triangle AGB, this triangle is nothing but half into the length of perpendicular sides, half times 8/3√3 times 8/3. That is equal to 64/3 into 3 is 9 2s are 18, or 9√3. 1 2 can be cancelled out to get 32. That is equal to 32/9√3. So this area is 32/9√3. Now from this area, can you find the area of the complete triangle? Yes. So now if you see triangle AGB and triangle GDB have base along the same straight line. So they have base along the same straight line and a common vertex with the same opposite vertex. So area of triangle AGB is to area of triangle BGD. So area of triangle AGB by area of triangle BGD is equal to the ratio of their bases, that is 2:1. 2:1. So if this area is x, this area is 2x, and that means this area is half of this area. So if this area is 2 parts, this total area is 3 parts. So what is the total area of triangle ABD? Area of triangle ABD is nothing but 32/9√3 into, so if this is 2 parts, I need 3 parts, that is into 3/2, that is 1.5 times. This is 1, this is half, so total area is 1.5 times. So that is equal to, so this becomes 16, this 3 gets cancelled 3 times, so 16/3√3. So that's the total area. Now if you want the total area of the triangle, so we know that the median divides the triangle into 2 equal halves. So the total triangle, so area of triangle ABC is equal to 2 times this. That is 32/3√3. So the total area is 32/3√3. Thank you.